Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your Google Play Store is stuck on pending on Honor 200 Pro. This issue might occur when you are connected to mobile data, but your settings are set to download apps over Wi-Fi only. To resolve this issue, you can either connect to Wi-Fi network or change settings. I'm gonna show you how to change settings. Go back to the main screen of Play Store. Then click on your profile icon in top right corner. Then go to Settings. And now Network Preferences, App Download Preference, and select over any network. Then press on OK, and now go back, search for the app you wanted to download, and press on cancel, and install again. It should start installing. You can see it does start. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.